Hi there. I'm Ron Suarez with Dale Sorensen Real Estate. Check this out. This stunning, totally renovated riverfront townhome, featured on HGTV's Beachfront Bargain Renovation, offers 3 levels of luxurious, turnkey living with the best views on all of North Hutchinson Island. With a brand new roof and all new impact glass and doors, this home blends beauty and durability. The 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 elegantly remodeled bathrooms complement the open concept main floor, which showcases a gourmet kitchen with bespoke smart appliances and Dolomite countertops. 3 expansive decks, including one off the master suite, provide unmatched views of the Intracoastal, making this a rare gem for those seeking both style and serenity.